Hello friends, in this video I will show how to create links that scroll the page smoothly to any ID within the document. So search this plugin page scroll to ID. You have to search this plugin page scroll to ID, install and activate. Using this plugin you can create links that scroll the page smoothly. A good number of active installation and good number of reviews. So install and activate and use. Guys, if you have any problem to use this plugin, so comment. I will try to answer it. So today in this short and basic video, we learn how to create a link that scroll the page smoothly. Thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe the channel for more useful videos.